Solving systems by substitution. We have 2x minus 3y equals negative 8, and we have y equals 2x plus 4. When we're using substitution, you need an isolated variable, and y is our isolated variable. So we can replace all the y's in the other equation with the 2x plus 4. So let's do that. So 2x minus 3, then we'll start our parenthesis and put in, instead of y, the 2x plus 4, close parenthesis, then the equals, then the negative 8. Now from here we're going to use distribution for the negative 3. I know it looks like just like the regular 3, but that's actually a negative 3, so we'll have to be careful with that. So negative 3 times 2x gives us negative 6x, and negative 3 times a positive 4 gives us negative 12, and equals negative 8. Okay, now we're going to combine like terms. We have a 2x and a negative 6x. That can be combined to become a negative 4x. Then the minus 12, and then equals negative 8. Okay, now I want to isolate the x, so let's get rid of the subtracting 12 first. So use adding 12, that will eliminate it. We'll be doing one side, you're doing the other, so another adding 12 there. So we'll bring down the negative 4x equals. This combines and becomes a positive 4. Now we're going to take our negative 4x, that equals 4, and we're going to divide both sides by a negative 4. Remember not to put a negative 4x down here, but just a negative 4. We'll be doing one side, you're doing the other. Negative 4 there. So negative 4 divided by negative 4 leaves us 1x. And positive divided by negative is going to be negative. And 4 divided by 4 is going to be 1. So x is negative 1. Okay, let's go back up here and get our y equals 2x plus 4. So y equals 2x plus 4. And we're going to make a substitution here. The x is going to become a negative 1. So this will become y equals 2 parentheses negative 1 plus 4. And so y will equal negative 2 plus 4. When you combine a negative 2 and a plus 4, you get a 2. So the solution of our system is x is negative 1 and y is 2. Okay. Next, we have y equals negative 3x minus 8. And we also have y equals 2x plus 7. Now, you see we have isolation of y on both sides. So you can use either one of these for substitution. I'm going to use this y right here for substitution. So everywhere I see a y, I'm going to put in negative 3x minus 8. So this y right here will get changed into the negative 3x minus 8. So instead of y equals, we're going to have negative 3x minus 8 equals, and then 2x plus 7. Okay, now we have only x's we can solve. We have x's on the left and right side. I tend to get rid of the x's, the lesser x's first. So the left side has the lesser x's. This is negative 3, where that's 2 x's. So I want to get rid of that one. So we'll get rid of this one by saying plus 3x. And we'll be doing one side of the equal sign, you do on the other. So plus 3x here. We end up with a negative 8 equals 5x plus 7. And now I'm going to finish solving x to the on the right side. So we're going to get rid of the adding 7 by using a subtracting 7. We'll be doing one side, you're doing the other. This creates a negative 15 equals 5x. Now let's take our negative 15 equals 5x and divide both sides by just 5. Not x, but just 5. And divide by 5 here. So we'll end up with a negative 3 equals 1x. And now we've just solved for x. X is negative 3. Now, to figure out what y is, we can use either one of these y equals. It doesn't matter. I want to use this one on this side because it has less negatives. So I'm going to use the y equals 2x plus 7. Okay, fewer negatives to fight with if I use this one. So in substituting the x for the negative 3, we get 2 times negative 3, then plus 7. And 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, plus 7. That equals 1. So my conclusion is that the solution of my system is x is negative 3 and y is 1.